Thanks for stopping by the channel. If this is your first time, 100th time, I appreciate it. What a year. Made it a whole year of my YouTube channel. I launched the channel with my first video, February 12, 25. This was a huge change for me. I spent the better half of the last decade in the publishing, more traditional, doing CNET and Android Central and Android Police and a few other websites. And so jumping over to YouTube was a big change. Being in front of the camera, this is all new to me. And I want to thank everybody who stuck around, who's watched videos, subscribed, commented. It really means a lot to me and it helps out the channel a ton. This is what I love doing. I love creating videos and helping share cool technology, things that I think is fun with everybody. In the Midwest, there's not a whole lot of us out here that are big techie nerds and are following all the latest trends and things like that. But it doesn't mean that these products aren't good for everybody. So trying to bring this to more people and kind of show my experiences with it from my perspectives, living out here, you don't see many YouTubers in the tech space that are hanging out in areas like this on the daily basis. So I really appreciate your trust and faith in me and stopping by and checking the channel out. We did a lot this last year. We covered robot lawnmowers, pool cleaners, vacuums, grills, watches, phones, so many different things I never thought I'd get the chance to actually explore and test out on my own platform on YouTube. So thank you for that. And thank you to the brands who've trusted me to test out their products and to share what they can do with the people out there. So I really appreciate that. Working through this has been a big challenge, both professionally and personally. Starting a YouTube channel is not an easy thing to do, and especially when you're trying to do it as your career. Starting off, this has been a challenging year. It has been difficult in a lot of ways, but it's been also extremely rewarding. Between getting to try the cool things and having conversations with you out in the community, it's been really fun. I got to go see some really cool things. I got to go to CES in Las Vegas for the first time on the media side of things in 2025, and that was a really cool experience. And I got to do it again in 2026. I attended Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and that was a really fun event. My third time going there. Love Barcelona. It's a really cool event. I was able to do a few other things that I'd never done before. I was in New York for a few events. I got to go to Salt Lake City. I've never been there and see the Traeger event. That was a really cool thing. Traeger's got some really cool things coming up. Going to Berlin for IFA for the first time ever. It was a really cool event. There were tons of stuff there. So that is all thanks to you guys. For you guys to subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, comment, that all gives me the fuel to continue doing this and sharing these things with you. I want to build this with you. So if there's anything that you want to see, changes you'd like to happen, let me know. I'm open to making some adjustments and making this channel work for everybody. So I look forward to growing the channel with you guys in 26. I've got lots of things coming up, mowers, vacuums, some really cool stuff out there that I'm excited to share with you guys. I'm shifting the channel a little bit. Last year was a lot of just getting my name out there and showing all the cool stuff out there. I don't want to just do a review. I want to build this into a channel that shows how these products actually integrate with the daily life, myself, and how am I able to help you. So if there's angles or ways you want to see these products used or presented, again, let me know. I want to build this channel for everybody. So I look forward to seeing 2026. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. And I hope to see a lot more of you in the coming years. See you soon.